we present the MINVO basis, a polynomial basis that finds the simplex with minimum volume enclosing a polynomial curve. Polynomial bases are extensively used in rendering and computer games, path planning for robots, 3D design, and simulations. In many of these applications, it is crucial to find the tightest simplex approximation of a given polynomial curve. We call this problem problem 1. Moreover, we are also interested in finding the curve with largest convex hull inside a given simplex, which we call problem 2. Note that, for problem 1, the Bernstein and B-Spline bases do not form the simplex with the smallest volume. Similarly, for problem 2, these bases do not generate the polynomial curve with largest convex hull. In the paper, we prove that both problem 1 and 2 are equivalent to problem 3, which is completely independent of the simplex or polynomial curve given. Using sum of squares programming, we obtain the solutions shown here. We compare them with the Bernstein, B-Spline and Lagrange bases. By using moment relaxations and branch and bound, we prove that the solutions for n equals 1, 2, and 3 are globally optimal solutions. These are the results for n equals 5, 6, and 7. Let us see now how these results compare to other bases. For this given polynomial curve, the simplex obtained for each of the bases is this one. The MINVO basis is able to generate the smallest possible simplex. Similarly, and for this given simplex, the MINVO basis obtains polynomial curves with the largest convex hull. We can apply the MINVO basis to any polynomial curve, like the one shown in red. The enclosing simplexes obtained by the MINVO basis are these ones. In a similar way, we can apply the MINVO basis to any simplex, like the one shown here. The MINVO basis generates these curves, whose convex hulls are in blue. Finally, we can obtain tighter polyhedral representations of a given curve as follows. First we split the curve into intervals, then we compute the smallest MINVO simplex for each interval, and finally we compute the convex hull of all of them. These are the polyhedral outer representations obtained. In the paper, we also explain how to apply the MINVO basis to general polynomial curves, polynomial surfaces, or rational curves. All the code is available at GitHub. Check it out.